Jeffrey Zamora vlogs, travel, and educational. In today's lesson, we're going to discuss all about analogy. An analogy is something that shows how two things are alike. It compares two things that are mostly different from each other but have some traits in common. The purpose of an analogy is not merely to show but also to explain. Here is word analogy looks like kitten, cat, puppy, dog. On this example, the colon stands for words so that when you read it aloud, the analogy says, kitten is to cat as puppy is to dog. On this case, the relationship described is between the young and adult animals. The two animals being compared are cats and dogs. To understand a word analogy, think about how the words on each side of the columns relate to each other. Sometimes, the relationship is a part of a whole, a change in size, a synonym, or an antonym. Another example is hungry is to eat as tired is to sleep. On the given example, hungry and tired are examples of an adjective. Eat and sleep are examples of a verb, so that's why they are related to each other. Hold on, I'll be giving you another set of examples. Car is to road, as boat is to ocean. Near is to far, as open is to close. Apple is to fruit, as carrot is to vegetable. On this activity, I want you to choose the letter of the correct answer. Planet is to Mars as fabric is to blank. A. Flexible. B. Denim. C. Suit. What relationship is shown in the previous analogy? A. Item to category. B. Synonym. C. Object to location. Mirror is to shiny as bulldozer is to powerful. What relationship is shown in this analogy? A. Descriptive. B. Part to whole. C. Synonym. Rhyme is to poetry as scales is to A. Snake. B. Ostrich. C. Giraffe. Harvest is to autumn. Blank is to birthday. A. Spring. B. Cake. C. Costumes. To validate your answers, I'll be giving you an information for you to be able to realize if you got the correct answer or not. In analogy, we have to understand that we have the type of relationship. First, the synonym. Second, the antonym. Third, part to whole. Fourth, cause and effect. And lastly, symbol and what it stands for. Example of synonym. Thrilled is to joy, as angry as to mad. Example of part to whole. Leaf is the tree as petal is the flower. Example of cause and effect. Tornado is to destruction as cut is to bleed. Example of symbol and what it stands for. Flag is to nation as heart is to love. And now, you already have the knowledge for the directions. Fill in the correct word to complete the analogy. For being here again on my channel. For those who are new here, please stay connected and don't forget to subscribe and click the bell button for you to be updated on my latest video. Thank you and God bless.